What's up you guys, welcome to XJ6 channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the exterior lights on your X300. So let's start with the rear tail lights. The rear light bulbs are accessible from the inside of the trunk. Remove the plastic cover. Unplug the wiring connection. Twist the knob. Here you have the turn signal light, brake lights, reverse light, and fog light. Push the light bulb in and turn it counterclockwise. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the license plate lens. You might need to use a flathead screwdriver to remove the lens, it might be stuck on. Also use a flathead screwdriver to pull the light bulb out. To replace the third mount brake lights, remove the cover. There's two clips underneath it, push them up at the same time and pull the cover out. If none of the lights are working, check the harness connection, it might have gotten loose. To remove the side marker lights and the front turn signal, use a trim tool or a flathead screwdriver to depress the locking tab. You can replace the low and high beam from the back of the headlight assembly. Remove the plastic cover. To replace the fog lights, you have to lift the vehicle up with a floor jack and place it on jack stands. Remove the plastic skid plate if your Jaguar has one. Then depress the locking tabs on each side and the fog light assembly will come out. Alright you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.